So I figured I would share this recipe with you guys. It is something I found on Pinterest and it looked really good to me. I don't know how well you can see that, but pan-fried cinnamon bananas. And I love bananas and I need more potassium. So bananas are rich in potassium, and I figured that by making some pan-fried cinnamon bananas that it would be a delicious way to enjoy bananas. So I'm going to share with you guys how to make them. It doesn't take very long, but this looks delicious. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Honestly, when I looked at it, I thought that they looked kind of like scallops. Hit like if you agree with me, but let's see how these turn out. So as far as the ingredients list, there really aren't that many ingredients that you need. You literally need cinnamon, bananas obviously, honey, and butter. So this is something that most people usually have around their house anyway. So it's not something that has a super long ingredient list, and that's another thing that I liked about it, because I knew that I didn't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of extra ingredients. So the first step is what I just did already, which is putting the cinnamon, butter, and honey in a frying pan. And you need to use medium-high heat and just leave it until it's melted and combined. And the recipe is actually for 2 bananas, but I'm doubling everything, so I used 4 bananas. Cut into half-inch pieces. So 4 bananas cut into half-inch pieces, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 4 tablespoons of either raw honey or regular honey, depending on what your preference is. And then, like I said, all you need to do is combine everything in a frying pan over medium-high heat until it's all melted and combined. So the next step is going to be to put your bananas into your pan along with the honey, cinnamon, and butter, and basically just leave them on this side until they start to caramelize and turn golden brown, and then you're going to flip them and do the other side. They said about 4 minutes, so I'm just going to kind of play it by eye, and I will check in and show you what the end result is, and hopefully, you know, it'll turn out perfect. So here's the end result, and this is my little bowl that I'm gonna eat, and this looks really good. Now, they said that these are good to put on like pancakes or with ice cream or yogurt or cereal even. I'm just gonna eat them plain because, like I said, I love bananas. But, you know, you could basically do whatever you want with them. Incorporate them into a dessert. I'm sure it would be good, you know, with ice cream or yogurt and all that. But you can also just eat it by itself, and that's what I intend to do. So I'm looking forward to this. Easy, super simple. It took me like 10-15 minutes to make. So, and that was from prep time to completion. So really not that difficult, and it smells so good. And I took a little bite of one of the bananas and it really tasted good and flavorful. So try it, and if you try it, let me know if you like it or not. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you guys again soon.